right, just finished taking this thing for a shakedown. Oh yeah, that's nice, pretty amazing. I like it. Check engine light came on, so not a whole lot to these to go duty on you, but you see the engine cage right there, mass airflow wire. Let's see if I could pull that out. There you go. You see that little brown guy? That one right there. So check engine light came on. Obviously I'm gonna have to make a little room for it and get a new plug. Piece of cake. So I gotta do a little more hardware mounting on the fenders. It's cool on the street, but you can't hear what's happening. I mean, it rattles like crazy off-road. Sounds like a jalopy. But for a shakedown run, she went pretty darn well. I think we did like a 33 mile loop. Yep. In case you guys are wondering, interior is all basic, nothing special. Just gonna build this out eventually. You know, I got the twin stick transfer case. You know, interior is immaculate though. It's great shape. So no complaints there. She is for sale. It's got an Atlas transfer case because, as you guys know, if you get the V8, which this one is, it's the 4.7. If you think you're getting a four-wheel drive, you are not. You are getting an all-wheel drive truck. And I did not know when I purchased this, and I did not know how complicated it was to eliminate the all-wheel drive while leaving the transfer case in there. So I took it to MIT in San Diego, and they recommended doing an Atlas transfer case, and I love it. He says I can be doing, you know, top speeds and click it into 4 high because it is synchronized. I haven't tried that. I've been doing like 25 and I'll put it into 4 high, and so far I feel confident doing that. So there she is, beauty and all. We didn't use 4-wheel drive on this run. This was more of like a high-speed get her done run. But overall, I'm very pleased. Now, this thing's not made for doing 60 through the super rough stuff. It is made for taking your family out and having a good time. Like, my idea is go out to the hill out in Buttercup, Glamis, whatever it may be. Heater works, air conditioner works, go out to the hill at night and watch everybody else be clowns and just sit there and hang out with the kids. Yeah. So it's only got 16 inches in the front. I know it's not much, but I'm so stoked to have 16 inches of four-wheel drive in a full-size vehicle. So when we take it out for New Year's, if I haven't sold it yet, I will be sure to get more video clips. That's it for now. Don't forget to check out whywaitconsulting.com for all your retirement planning and life insurance needs.